Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about Dr. Emma Clark pumpkin seed recipe, whether it's legit or another scam in disguise. Before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Alright, so according to the press style article from Access Newswire, Dr. Emma Clark promotes a pumpkin seed recipe said to supercharge gut health and weight loss through a supplement called Gut Drops, but dig a little deeper and the story falls apart fast. Such as no trace of Dr. Emma Clark as a real medical professional, no credentials, no clinical background. No real recipe is ever provided, just vague promises of a secret linked to a high-priced product. Gut Drops is not FDA approved and there's no transparency on ingredients, sourcing, or scientific backing. Malware Tips calls it out as a manipulative funnel using fake urgency, unverified claims, and influencer-style marketing to push a non-existent tea and questionable supplement. This setup is recycled along multiple scam health sites using different names and stories, but the pitch is always the same: buy fast, ask questions later. Dr. Emma Clark's pumpkin seed recipe is not legit for the final verdict. It's part of a polished marketing scam designed to exploit consumers' trust and desperation. With no proof of the doctor, the recipe, or the product's efficacy, this is one trend you should skip entirely. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.